the best way to make a intro for you, then you are at the right place. In this video I'll be showing you 5 different ways to make a better and epic 3D or 2D intros using your phone and even in your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first one is the Filmora. It's a simple video editing software as well as an intro maker. It has a pre-built some of the templates in the software itself. You guys can see, you can select any one of them, edit it as per your requirements, change your name so that you will get the best results. Select the template which one you want, which you like. Otherwise you guys can customize it by putting your own image background or whatever it is. It's up to you. So it is very easy and simple editing, simple best intro if you are searching of a better 2D intro. Okay, you can also export in 4K 1080p 1080 pixels, 720p frame rates at your frame rates itself. So that is the first thing of this, but this software is not free. You guys can download the cracked one or any one of them. Next one on our list is the renderfx.com. This is basically a website which you can directly make a lot of intros, but you can download 3 of them for free. After that you got to pay it. But again guys, this is very epic and it also gives you the best performance at 3D, and it is easy, very easy, simple. Just log in and select your template over thousands of template and put in your DP and your text so that it will get you the best 3D effect for your intro. You guys can also download it in 1080p 4K resolutions. First 3 is completely free. Just create an account and download it. That's it. Okay, the next one on our list is completely free, easy. That is the panzoid.com. I think this is one of the most popular websites. It's personally I also use this for making a lot of intros and some animations. It has one of the best 3D rendering effects in those, with a lot of cool templates in that website. All the links will be in the description down below so you don't miss anything. You guys can select, customize your name and make it cool. It also has an outro, intro templates. Trust me, this is one of the best platform to make a lot of YouTube intros and outros. Okay, the Blender. This Blender app software is for computer. This is completely professional, and also templates can also be downloaded in the third-party websites, and you can use it in this application. The name itself suggests Blender. You guys can blend 3D animations, 3D 2D animations easily and make your cool intros. Next one on our list is for smartphone. That is the Legend app. I'll link the description in the down below. You guys can go and download it up from Play Store also. This cool app can create a lot of transition and animation effects for your phone. As you guys can see, you can also render it from square and rectangle shape manner, and also at 1080 pixels also in your smartphone within your thumbs. It is very easy. Personally I also like this because it's very easy. When you're out, you got to pick a content and upload it up. Suddenly you don't have your intro, then this is the best one you guys can create and the best option for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below, and as always I'll see you guys in the next one.